I remember telling my brother specifically that I am going to play for my country, and I am going to play this game at the highest level, and there's nothing else in life that can distract me anymore. Because it was my father's vision as well. He wanted me to, play at the highest level, and he was really, really keen on me playing at the highest level as well. So I remember making that promise to my brother, and then everything in life became second priority after that incident, and cricket was the first priority. The one thing that remained constant was every time I was down, every time I hit rock bottom, somehow I was able to put everything aside and say, right, I'm going to work hard and I'm going to get back up. So it's not like I made a promise that I'm never going to fall down. Obviously I was going to fall down, that's life. That is always going to happen in sport and life. But the ability to come back again and again made me realize that that incident was the one incident that helped me become mentally so strong that I could, even if I was distracted, because I'm human, I will make mistakes, but the ability to come back up became so much more stronger. And right now I feel so grateful that I could get that strength from such a bad time in my life as well.
I was always fond of chasing totals since I was a kid, because A, that allowed me to be in the game till the very end, and B, it allowed me to finish the game for the team and come out, and that is one thing that gave me the most pleasure when I was a kid. If India failed to chase a target, I used to go to sleep believing that if I had the jersey on, I would have done it. And now when I'm in a chase, I think those memories just take over and my body reacts in a certain manner, and I just love every minute of it, because it gives you a chance to analyze what you need to do as an individual to get your team out of trouble. And I don't think there's any better, motivation for any cricketer. For me, hitting the ball in the middle of the bat is the best feeling in the world. Even when I go to practice in the nets, I just want to hit every ball in the middle of the bat. I love every second of doing that. So I think till that love lasts, till that passion lasts, you're supposed to play. I've been lucky that passion and that real love for just batting has been going on for years.